Meaning of DMs.
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 DMs. The term DMs is commonly used in social media and messaging platforms, and it stands for direct messages. DMs are private conversations between two individuals within a platform or app. They are often used for personal or confidential communication that is not intended to be seen by other users. DMs can be initiated by a user to another user, and they may contain text, images, videos, or links. Overall, DMs provide a way for users to have a more private and intimate conversation within the context of a larger social media platform.